We are in South Charlotte, North Carolina, in Governor Square neighborhood. This is an older tri-level home from the 60s. It's a brick house with the original wood windows in the house. And all we are doing here is taking the complete window out and putting a whole complete aluminum clad window in. My name is Greg McLaughlin. My company's name is New Image Windows and Siding. I've been in business going on 26 years in the Charlotte metro area. I started out not knowing anything to where I'm at this point today, where I kind of work only on high-end customers' homes that request me. I'm caulking wood on the inside with the Bostik material, and I'm also using the same caulking, different color on the outside, and there's no differences from trying to work something different from one to the other. It's all very consistent. As far as being introduced to this product so many years ago, and as soon as I used it, I knew right then and there I was no longer going to take just random caulking from different companies, because I'd rather pay just a little bit more money and have a superior product where I can make it look the way I want it to look, instead of how it comes out of the tube and you kind of have to just let it sit and be that way. It's easy to work with. It goes on like I feel it should go on. It goes on smooth. It's not hard. It's not creamy. It's just the right consistency. I like to tool my product where I make it nice and smooth with my finger, so it just gives a better finish. Being able to transfer tips without having to ruin another tube. Some areas you need a small bead, some areas you need a very large bead, and you're not wasting product. All you're doing is pulling out a plastic nozzle and adjusting it to what you need. We stop at the end of the day and we have a half a tube that we haven't used yet. You just let the tip harden up, unscrew it the next morning, put a new tip on, and you're still using. It's cost savings. I don't waste as much money. There's really no comparison. I've literally never had problems since I started using this product. No color fading, no shrinking, no cracking. If you're using a store-bought box caulking product or another distributor's product, I would challenge you to find Bostik somewhere near you. It's just a great product. I mean, I know that sounds cliche, but I can choose a lot of products, and I just choose certain ones that don't cause me troubles. And the Bostik Duo-Sil product is one of those items that I choose to use because it helps me. And that's what this is about. It's what makes my life easier as a business owner and an installer.